Hey everyone, Kurt with Roadside Guy. We're going to show you how to jumpstart a 2019 Mercedes Benz GLC 300. Customer does not start the vehicle very often, but the battery certainly should not be dead. So you can see here on the GB150 box, it's just reading 4.4 volts. It's dropping, and then it drops off completely. So probably more than likely has a bad battery in it. We'll go ahead and turn the box on, and you see it jumps to 11.11 volts, well, 11.1 volts. Go ahead and hit all the power with this red exclamation mark here on the box, and I'm going to give it a little bit more power, 11.2. Alright, sir, if you want to go ahead and try it, we'll see if that'll start it up. Check out this all aluminum front end here. Is that cool? That's aluminum bar. Anyway, let's see. There we go. Alright, and then we'll check the meter and see if the charging system's working, which it absolutely is, because you see that's doing a great job of charging the alternator. It jumped all the way up to 15 volts in no time, so the alternator is definitely doing its job. It's just probably a case of the bad batteries. So when it comes to connecting your cables on this vehicle, you'll see here that there is a red plastic tab right there, and it has a metal fitting behind that, and it slides like so to reveal that metal tab that you need to jump start it. So you just push this forward and you can get to the metal tab that you need. You'll see that these cables, they don't fit in there completely. You can't get well, I guess you can. There, I got down in there. But if you have to, you could just kind of hold it up like that and get a connection, you know. That's the positive connection for this one. And then your negative connection on this vehicle is going to be right here on this brass bolt that they've got connected to the front end. Again, that's your positive, and then your negative. You can see there, it's right here on the passenger side fender, and the positive is there. So we'll probably have the customer take this one to the dealership and have the battery swapped out. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you out. This is Kurt with Roadside Guy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop us a comment.